Okay, we have a Baldwin Mortise Lock. If you just want to use the bottom latch lock to get in, you turn it counterclockwise. Simple as that to get in. If you want the extra security, go clockwise. Hear that? Throw the bolt. Now, the deadbolt and the latch are locked. So to unlock it, go one revolution. That throws the deadbolt. And then a half a turn, quarter turn, will retract the latch to get in. You come inside. There's like a, call it a dogging feature here. If you push this button in, it allows the thumb push to go freely and pull the latch back. So you can reset it. Keeps that rigid in the fixed position. You can leave. It's locked. Again, counterclockwise, about a quarter turn, you're in. If you have any questions or comments about this video, or you want to make a purchase, please call us at 404-365-8556. Or you can visit us on the web at aielloslocksmiths.com. Thank you for watching this video.